Innovation is essential in order to keep us interested in ourselves, in order to keep us relevant in the society, in what we are doing. And I don't think there is another way to grow but through innovation.
When we talk about innovation at Acentech, we think it's best when done in the critical path. That means it's not a 6-year protracted experiment with $1 million of funding, but rather it's a 2-week, you must tell me the answer to this thing or we won't know what to do. So we do a different type of innovation at Acentech. It tends to be rapid, it tends to be iterative, and it tends to be massively collaborative. Our 3DL technology allows us to talk less and to actually inform much more. When we can put a client directly in the middle of their future space, they are in a unique position to tell us about their priorities, about their likes, their dislikes, their fears, and their aspirations. One of our innovations that was really kind of spurred on by COVID was to say, how do we make this more accessible? How do we take the listening experience, which guides architectural decision making, and make it global and instantaneous? And what we see is that we can actually reproduce a similar experience to being in Cambridge over a fairly inexpensive headset. The most important thing in this work is that everyone have a cohesive and similar experience. When there are 3 decision makers in a room, it is critical that those 3 people hear the same thing in order that they can really share their opinion. We know that if we employ rigorous engineering and solid science, there's no challenge we won't be able to solve.